If your goal is to make some extra cash, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to make money online, make money offline, or make some extra income from home, we've got you covered with this mega list of easy money making ideas. They range from part-time jobs to passive income, but most are side gigs you could easily do in your spare time without risking your full-time job. Here's a long list of our favorite ways to earn extra cash and make money online during otherwise free time. Scroll through and find the ones that are best for you. Number 1. Play games on your phone. The average American spends over 4 hours daily scrolling on their cell phone. Why not maximize that time by playing mobile games that will actually pay you real money? Bingo Clash is a mobile bingo game that is free to download on both Android and iOS Apple devices. The app matches similar skill-level players in one-on-one and multiplayer games. Users are able to win real cash by playing from the comfort of their couch. Solitaire Cash is also a free mobile game available on Android and iOS devices. Users can play solitaire games with free gems or by depositing cash. The app offers multiplayer games against users of similar skill levels with varying prize pools. As you play, the app will regularly reward you with more gems and cash. Real cash winning can be withdrawn via PayPal and Apple Pay. Bubble Cash is an easy mobile game to play while you're hanging out on the couch. It simply involves shooting and matching bubbles to reach the highest score. You can play free games or test your skills in multiplayer real cash tournaments. Once you've won, you can easily cash out via PayPal. Pocket 7 Games is an all-in-one arcade gaming app that includes puzzles, card games, math problems, and brain teasers. It's perfect if you don't want to commit yourself to a single game above, but still want to play against others to win money. One of our favorites is Pool Clash, which allows you to play virtual billiards without leaving your home. Number 2. Take surveys online. Many companies will pay you real money for simply sharing your thoughts or experiences on online surveys. Survey Junkie allows you to sign up for free, complete a profile questionnaire, and begin making money by taking market research surveys. The survey site has paid consumers over $76 million to date, so jump on board and start earning today. Kashkick is another way to make some quick cash while playing on your phone or computer. Kashkick works with businesses trying to get their products or services more visibility in the market or looking for feedback. It pays you, the consumer, in exchange for taking surveys, signing up for new services, and downloading and playing games. Number 3. Become a freelance virtual assistant. Companies often post freelancer jobs online to complete basic tasks like data entry, transcribing, bookkeeping, and social media marketing. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork make it easy for you to showcase your side job skills and accept paying gigs. Simply create a profile, select your areas of expertise, and start promoting yourself to businesses with relevant professional links. So friends, how did you like today's video? Do tell us by commenting, and if you liked the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.